The world of artificial intelligence is abuzz with talk of two titans, Deepseek and ChatGPT. These digital behemoths represent the cutting edge of AI development. Deepseek, as its name suggests, dives deep into the oceans of data that we humans generate every day. It seeks patterns, connections, and insights that would otherwise remain hidden. ChatGPT, on the other hand, excels at the art of conversation. It can generate human-quality text, answer questions, and even tell stories. Both AIs are impressive feats of engineering, but they have very different strengths and weaknesses. Understanding these differences is crucial for determining which AI is best suited for a particular task. In the following sections, we will delve into the capabilities and limitations of each model, exploring their potential applications and ultimately considering which one might be deemed superior. Deepseek operates on the principle of deep learning. It uses artificial neural networks to sift through massive data sets, identifying subtle correlations and patterns. Imagine a digital detective meticulously piecing together clues from a crime scene. That's Deepseek, but instead of fingerprints and DNA, it analyzes data points, trends, and anomalies. ChatGPT, in contrast, is a large language model. It has been trained on a vast corpus of text and code, learning to generate human-like text in response to prompts. Think of it as a master wordsmith, capable of crafting everything from poems to code to technical documents, all with a fluency that is often indistinguishable from human-written text. Deepseek's strength lies in its ability to find order in chaos. It excels at tasks like fraud detection, where it can identify suspicious transactions that would slip past human analysts. In the realm of scientific discovery, Deepseek can analyze experimental data to uncover hidden relationships and accelerate breakthroughs. Its ability to find patterns in complex data sets makes it an invaluable tool for researchers and analysts across various fields. Section 4, ChatGPT, the art of conversation. ChatGPT shines in its ability to communicate and generate human-quality text. It can be used to create compelling marketing copy, write personalized emails, or even draft screenplays. Its ability to understand and respond to natural language makes it an ideal tool for chatbots, virtual assistants, and other conversational AI applications. Imagine a world where you can have a natural conversation with a computer that understands your needs and responds accordingly. ChatGPT brings us one step closer to that reality. Section 5. The limitations of artificial minds. Despite their impressive capabilities, both Deepseek and ChatGPT have limitations. Deepseek, for all its analytical prowess, is only as good as the data it is trained on. Biased or incomplete data can lead to inaccurate or misleading results. ChatGPT, while adept at mimicking human language, lacks true understanding and can sometimes generate nonsensical or factually incorrect text. Furthermore, both AIs raise ethical concerns. Deepseek's ability to analyze personal data raises privacy concerns, while ChatGPT's potential to generate convincing fake news highlights the need for responsible AI development and deployment. Section 6. Seeking and chatting finding their place. Deepseek and ChatGPT are powerful tools, each with its own unique strengths and weaknesses. Deepseek is ideal for tasks that require deep analysis of complex data, while ChatGPT excels at language-based tasks and conversational AI. The choice of which AI to use depends entirely on the specific problem at hand. Section 7. The future of AI collaboration, not competition. Rather than viewing Deepseek and ChatGPT as competitors, it is more fruitful to see them as complementary tools. Imagine a future where Deepseek analyzes vast data sets to uncover insights which are then communicated to humans in an engaging and understandable way by ChatGPT. This synergistic partnership between data analysis and language generation holds immense potential for solving complex problems and advancing human knowledge. The true power of AI lies not in pitting one model against another, but in harnessing their combined strengths to create a future where humans and machines work together to solve the universe's greatest mysteries.